Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and we're here to do our weekly rebate haul. It's been a little bit since we've been here, so I'm excited to be back. And I got a Weekend Warrior for $3 for 8 offers, so I definitely will enjoy that. And then a new one popped up where it's called A Tale of the New Year or something like that. It's $10 for 35 offers and I have 2 weeks to get it. Since I coupon regularly, I should be able to get that unless something happens in my life where I can't coupon. I should be able to get that one because 35 isn't too bad if you divide it by 2 and you go to like Walgreens, CVS, and Walmart like I do almost every single week. So that shouldn't be a problem. We of course will be using Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, coupons.com, the app. I'm going to do one brand club survey deal in there, and I think that is it. So I have a favor to ask you guys. There are some YouTubers that are having issues, technical difficulties, not themselves, but on YouTube's end, and they're having problems uploading their videos, getting content out to you, and I know one of them is Miss Jody. Jody coupons with me on this channel quite frequently, and if you could go over and let some of her videos play, that way she can get some ad revenue for her channel, because she can't upload videos right now, and when this is your job, it's hard when you're spinning your wheels and you're at the mercy of YouTube. So just go over there and watch some of her videos. Just let them play. Turn the volume down, walk away if you haven't seen them already. That way we can keep her afloat and keep her going, if you like Jody's content, of course, which, duh, we do. But anyways, that's just a small favor to ask. You don't have to do that, but I think that would be really nice to support her right now, because she can't upload a video. Now, of course, by the time this video comes out and there's videos up on her channel again that are from yesterday or today, then of course you don't have to do that. But anyways, that is all for that part. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to help plan your trip or to help you out when you are in the store. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So first we're gonna grab the U by Kotex liners for $2.97. We're gonna grab 2 of them at $5.94. We're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $3. Then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $2 on each one of them, making them free in a 106 moneymaker. So next we're gonna get the Vitafusion. The Vitafusion is $5.98. We're gonna submit our receipt to the coupons.com app and get back $2. We're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $3.50. We're also going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks. We'll get back $2 for buying 1. We're also going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We're gonna get back 515 kicks, 15 scan kicks, and 500 buy kicks, which is 206. I also have a $3 survey on Brand Club. That's gonna make this free in a $6.58 moneymaker. Holy cow. Next, we're gonna get the Travel Olay Body Wash. Travel Olay Body Wash is $1.77. These are up top, but I put them in here for easy filming's sake. So we're gonna grab 3 of them, and they're gonna equal out to $5.31. We have a $5 rebate on Ibotta. I'm a little rusty with Walmart. I do apologize. So we're gonna get $5 back, making all 3 of these just 31 cents, and these are perfect to have on hand always. Also, this was stuffed over here, and I don't know if it was meant to be, but this is normally like 60 bucks. It's on clearance for $12. I'm grabbing it. Next, we're gonna grab the Finish. The Finish is $4.12. We have a $2 coupon from the 1-1 Smart Source. We also have a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta. So that is going to make this just 62 cents, and I'll take it. So next we're gonna grab this. This is a really cool deal. So these are $10.97. You don't wanna get these ones. Typically I would say yes, but you don't wanna get these ones unless you just wanna use your coupon on it, that's fine. But we're gonna grab 2 of these at $20.94. If I can grab 2 of them, probably not. I can. Look at that. So handy sometimes. But we have a rebate on Ibotta. When you spend $20, you get $12 back. Plus, we have these $5.50 off coupons from the 1-1 Smart Source. So you're going to pay $9.94 for these. But then you're going to get back that $12, making these free and a $2.06 moneymaker. I'm going to get this right here. My store doesn't have the small Febreze thingies, but the Febreze thingies. My store doesn't have the small Febreze in the travel section. So I'm checking out the clearance over in the air freshener area. So we have these for $408, this for $243. I think I'm gonna get this one. I have the plugins for these and they are amazing. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these at $285. I just wanna scan them to see if they will work on the Ibotta rebate. So these do work on the Ibotta rebate, so I am gonna pick these up. These cost not that much less than the regular price. They're $285, so the 2 of them will equal out to $5.70. We have that $330 rebate on Ibotta. It's going to make these $2.40 for both of them. So I'm gonna take it because I really love this scent, or maybe a pumpkin patch scent, because I don't know what their pumpkin patch scent smells like. But if you got these, then these would be $1.56 for both of them, which isn't bad either. Next, we're gonna grab Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. The 2 count though, not the 4 count. Gotta make sure they're 2 count. They're $3.24, and when you buy 2, you will get back $3.24, making them $3.24 for the both of them. You could possibly do the magic sheets. They're $5.54 a piece, and those are really nice too. So next, we're gonna do a shop kick deal on the Suave, and we are gonna grab 1 Suave green Suave for $2.94, and then I guess they call this gold, but this is more like a rose gold. Our total is going to equal out to $5.88. I have this printable 2 off 2 coupon from the Suave website that it was emailed to me, so we will pay $3.88, but then we're going to submit our receipt to Shopkick. We'll get back $6.50 for this one and $6.50 for this one, plus 30 scan kicks for each one. That's going to make both of these free and a $1.56 moneymaker. So this is everything we got. I picked up some gift bags, but by the time I got here, clearance was pretty much scalped, but that's okay. I really don't need that much. I only want to get wrapping paper, bows, and bags for Christmas clearance. And they do have totes on clearance, but they're still pretty high, so I'm not going to get those. But this is everything that we're grabbing. Pretty happy with that. Everything that I got. So let's go out to the car and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walmart, and everything went great except the Airwick coupons. They did not beep as, like, they didn't match. It come up as an exemption or exception, whichever one, because the coupon is over $5. 9 times out of 10, when a coupon is $5 or more, then it will call a cashier or a CSM to come over and take a look at it. So usually I don't like to use coupons that are over $5 because I just want to get in and get out and avoid the whole, are you sure this is the right item? Do you have all the items for all the coupons and all that kind of stuff? And I don't, it's not that I don't mind it, but it just, you know. So anyways, that was the only thing that happened, and I had no problems with any of my rebate apps. So let's get into the numbers. So my total for everything was $46.35 after coupons. I got back $32.65 in regular rebates on Ibotta. Now, when you scan your receipt, it will say all of the rebates, you know, it'll say that you have so many rebates back, but it won't say the Airwick amount included at the total on the bottom. I don't know why. So it said $20.65, and I'm like, okay, it's 8 offers, we're good. Then when I went back to check to see if everything went through, it said $32.65, and I'm like, holy cow, what happened? The $12 from the Airwick was added into that. But for whatever reason, when I scanned my receipt, it said $20.65 for 8 offers. So just don't worry if the amount is lower or kind of low when you're uploading your receipt and you're doing the Airwick deal. I did get back $3 for the Weekend Warrior bonus. I only needed to get 7 items technically, but I wanted to get just the full 8 items. But I did purchase a gift card. Then I'll get back $5 on the coupons.com app, $3 for the Kotex, and $2 for the Vita Fusion. I did get back $2 on Swag Bucks for the Vita Fusion. I'll get back $3 on Brand Club for the Vita Fusion. And I got back $7.50. That includes all of my scan kicks and buy kicks on Shop.with. Making everything that I got free and a $6.80 moneymaker. Woo! That was a weird woo, but I'm really, really happy with that because I think I got some good stuff. So you know, sometimes when you do a rebate haul, sometimes the stuff isn't that great, but it's a moneymaker. But I like to include that I think I got some good stuff this week. Plus that Revlon thing, oh my gosh, $12.22. That is amazing. And it was stuffed in not where you would expect it. But I already have one, so I am going to save it for a gift. Because it's pink. And it doesn't really look like a Christmas gift thing. You know what I mean? So I try to get, if I do get Christmas clearance, I try to get things that don't necessarily look like a leftover Christmas gift thing. You know what I mean? Because it's got like a ribbon on it, but I probably could take it. Anyways, that is all I have. So don't forget to grab your Google Doc down below in the description box. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.